Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saber Ahmed, and today we have something truly exciting in Photoshop for you. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or a new visitor, I promise you won't want to miss what we've got lined up. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest content from our channel. So, without further ado, Guide to Photoshop Text Tools. In the realm of pixels and dreams, where creativity unfurls, lies a world of endless possibilities, where words become our pearls. With Photoshop as our canvas, and text tools at our hand, let's embark on a poetic journey where typography takes a stand. Chapter I: The Art of Typography. In Photoshop's vast domain, where letters come to play, typography is the art, where words their meaning sway. To learn this craft, we must first understand its grace. For fonts and styles, like verses, bring life to every space. Chapter E: Choosing Your Typeface. Fonts, like characters in a story, each with its own role. Choose wisely the typeface, let its character extol. Serif, sans serif, script, or bold display. In the world of typography, your message finds its way. Chapter E: Playing with size and scale. Size matters in this world, where words convey the tale. Enlarge for emphasis, or shrink to make hearts sail. With text tools in your hand, you're the composer of this song. Adjust the size and scale, let your message be strong. Chapter I: The Dance of Leading and Kerning. Leading is the space between lines, like breaths in poetry. Let your words breathe freely, in perfect harmony. Kerning is the art of spacing, letter by letter's grace. With Photoshop's text tools, give each word its place. Chapter V: The Colorful Palette of Words. Colors paint emotions in the canvas of our soul. In Photoshop's text tools, let your words take their toll. Choose hues with care, let the message find its tone. For in the world of artistry, colors have a voice of their own. Chapter V: Adding Effects and Styles. Embossed like ancient scrolls, or shadows dark and deep, Photoshop's text tools offer styles that secrets keep. Stroke, bevel, and glow. Let your text come to life as you sculpt your message, through joy or through strife. Chapter V: Text as Art and Form. Shape your words like clay, with text as art and form. Warp, bend, and twist. Let your creativity swarm. Transform text into paths, a calligrapher's delight. In Photoshop's text tools, imagination takes flight. Chapter V: Mastering Layers and Blending. Layers, like stories in a book, create depth in your design. In Photoshop's text tools, they help your words align. Blend modes like magic spells, let your text enchant and woo. As you master the layers, your storytelling comes into view. Chapter X: The Art of Alignment. Align your text with care, like stars in the night's array. Left, right, or center, let it guide your reader's way. Distribute with precision, create balance and symmetry. In Photoshop's text tools, your message finds its clarity. Chapter X: The Power of Masks. Masks conceal and reveal, like curtains on a stage. In Photoshop's text tools, they're a poet's secret wage. Clip your text to shapes, let it fit and mold. As you explore the power, your creativity unfolds. Chapter She: Animation and Motion. Text that dances, text that flies, in motion's sweet embrace. In Photoshop's text tools, let your words find their place. Animate with grace, let your message come alive as you tell your story through the text that does strive. Chapter G: Practice and Poetry. With each click and every type, with Photoshop's text tools in hand, you will journey through horizons where your talents will expand. From novice to a wordsmith, your journey is the key. For in the world of text, you become a poet, wild and free. In this poetic voyage through Photoshop's text tools, my friend, may you find inspiration, creativity without end. With every word and style, let your artistry take flight as you craft your message, and your world becomes so bright. Layer styles, enchantment, shadows, bevels, and glows they bestow. Layer styles magic. Watch your text grow. Emboss, stroke, or satin's gentle flow. With layer styles, let your creativity glow. The warp of dreams, bend, distort, and transform the script. The warp tool's power, in your hands, is gripped. Make text a dance, twist, and gently sway. In this poetic canvas, let your words play. Pen tool poetry. For custom paths around your text, you'll find the pen tool's precision, a creative bind. Create shapes and curves with finesse. Craft text that's unique, a visual caress. Practice with purpose, with patience and practice, you shall prevail. Mastering the text tool's art fail. In Photoshop's world, your skills will take flight, creating visual poetry, pure and bright. So, in Photoshop's realm, with the text tool's grace, let your creativity soar at your own pace. With each stroke and click, your skills shall refine, crafting text that's poetic in every design. In the realm of Photoshop's artful grace, the text still dances, finding its place. To learn its secrets, let your journey start. In poetic prose, we share this art. Type your heart out. With Photoshop open, start your quest. Type words and phrases, put them to the test. Change fonts, size, and color with delight. In the text tool's embrace, you'll find your flight. Layers of wisdom, like pages of a book, create layers anew. Each word a story, each layer a clue. Organize your text, one layer at a time. Your Photoshop tale, a sublime rhyme. Alignments embrace, left, right, or center. The alignment's key to compose a masterpiece. Don't you see? Distribute your words with a practiced hand. In this text tool's realm, you'll understand. Blend modes whisper. Blend modes, oh mystical. They hold the key to merge text and images harmoniously. Overlay, multiply, or soft light's kiss. With these modes, you'll create text bliss. Pattern overlay, textures of the earth. Like Earth's rich tapestry, of immeasurable worth, patterns add texture, a sense of rebirth. In layer styles library, find textures mirth. Blendeth, a masked secret to uncover. In shadows and highlights, like a hidden lover, blendeth commands to uncover and discover. Layer styles, subtlety, like secrets to hover. Mastering gradients, colorful dreamscapes, like a painter's palette, and vast landscapes. Gradients enchant, with vibrant escapes. In layer styles world, let your vision reshape. Experiment, create, let creativity flow. Layer styles, treasure, let your talents bestow. In the realm of Photoshop, in the realm where pixels play and colors dance, where artistry meets digital elegance's trance. To master Photoshop's layer styles, take a chance. Let's embark on a journey, a skillful romance. Embrace the basics, the foundation's grace. Start with the core, in this wondrous place. Learn blending modes, like shadows in space. Opacity and fill, their subtleties embrace. Text and shapes, your canvas to amaze. Begin with simplicity, as dawn's first rays. Text and shapes, like stories, they'll convey. Layer styles on these, let creativity blaze. Gradient glow, radiance unconfined, a soft gradient glow, like moonlight's bind. Inner shadows, outer glows, they're aligned. Mastery of these, your artwork refined. Stroke and bevel, shapes. And thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to share this incredible experience with you. Remember, life is short. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.